Remember, we thought the summer surge was horrific. That was 50, 60,000 cases a day. Now, Friday, 283,000.
Housing market. August sales of existing homes hit the highest level in nearly 14 years.
Tonight, the push to get more Americans vaccinated quickly, trying to meet the historic demand.
Is as a symbol to the rest of the country that I feel extreme confidence in the safety and the efficacy of this vaccine.
While the whole world was on standby due to the events in 2020, the real estate market hit all-time record highs and many took advantage of this and won big. The crazy part is we're projected to see more of this in 2021 and possibly for many more years to come. Stick around to the end of this video to see how you can put yourself in the right position to win big. Welcome back, everyone. Today I have a good one for you. It is a bit lengthy, so bear with me. I promise you, you're gonna want to know this. Bottom line is, I want to see you guys win, and I wouldn't be doing my best by you guys if I didn't keep you guys well informed. So, you all very well know that 2020 was full of uncertainty, and it looks like 2021 isn't going to be any different. And if you're like me at all, in times of uncertainty, you turn to the facts. I'm a firm believer that knowledge and awareness is the cure for doubt and fear. Today I will be going over 1, a quick recap of the historic real estate market in 2020, 2, what we're projected to see in 2021, and 3, who this benefits the most and how every one of you guys who are watching can benefit from this as well. And because I know all of you guys are busy people, I will be doing this in under 3 minutes. Quick disclaimer, not one person, even if they want to flex like they could tell you for certain what will happen in the future. We can only make wise and educated decisions based off of the information that's available to us right now. My goal is not to tell you what decisions to make, but to help you make the decision for yourself and to make that with confidence by presenting you with the facts. With that being said, if you guys are ready, I'm gonna go ahead and start that clock now. COVID-19 hit our economy hard. In order to stimulate economic growth, the Fed set the rates low to encourage you guys to borrow and invest. And this is as low as the rates have ever been in a long time. But due to the uncertainties and fears surrounding COVID-19, there was and still is a low inventory of homes on the market, meaning sellers either withdrew their homes from the market or sellers are on standby waiting for the right moment or the safest moment to list their homes. So this plus the overwhelming amount of buyers trying to secure a low fixed rate led to multiple offers on one home and raised sales prices from buyers trying to outbid each other. We are seeing 10 plus offers on a single home and $10, $20, even $30,000 over what the sellers have been asking for. And this brings us up to date with how our current market is. So then what are we expecting to see in 2021? Well, nothing much has changed. COVID-19 is very much alive, and our economy is heavily dependent on the course of this virus. So all else unchanged, we are likely to see a repeat of 2020 and 2021. Now, if you want to also take advantage of these low interest rates, but you're not ready to buy and sell, don't worry. The feds have vowed to keep these rates low at least until 2023 in order to bring our economy back up to its pre-pandemic state. Now, a major factor that could impact the real estate market in 2021 would be the release of the COVID-19 vaccine that was released at the beginning of this year. Many sellers that had their doubts about listing their homes last year will want to hit the markets this year and will feel it's safer to do so that way they can capitalize on the market as well. And to further relieve even more doubts, thanks to my fellow professionals in the Hawaii real estate industry, we can proudly say that no one was infected with the COVID-19 virus while taking part in any real estate transactions. And this brings us to our final point. Who benefits from this the most? First, as I've already mentioned, are the sellers that are ready to list right now that have been waiting since last year to do so. 2, we have every other seller out there that has untapped potential in their equity. If you or someone you know, whether that be your family, your coworker, your best friend, has been living in the same home here in Hawaii for at least 5 to 10, maybe even 15 plus years, you can sell your home right now and earn way more for your money than you could in other years. This plus the amount of equity that you've already built just by living in your home can be used to upgrade to a better home and or cashed out to be reinvested elsewhere. Also to note, if you're worried about selling your home right now and not finding a new home, there are contingencies in place to make sure that you find a new home first before selling your current one. That way we can mitigate any risk to you as possible. And the other two that benefit from this are any home buyers that bought a home within the last several years and want to refinance to a lower fixed rate. And lastly, our first-time home buyers out there that want to secure a low interest rate on their first home. Alright, so that was a lot of information to go over, and I'm sorry if I went over that a little too fast. I hope this has provided you guys with more understanding about what happened in the historic market of 2020. And for those of you that have your doubts about investing in real estate right now, I hope this has provided you with more clarity and peace of mind. Guys, if you're not near your home buying goals yet, don't worry. This was not made to make you feel like you're missing out, but more to enlighten you to take action. You have time, and your opportunity is coming. But I'll always encourage you guys to get prepared now or as soon as possible so that when your opportunity comes, you won't miss it. Guys, if you have questions about this, I'm always happy to help and I'm always available. And if you know anyone else that can benefit from this information, please share this with them. Thanks again for joining me this week for your 2021 real estate market update. I look forward to bringing you guys quality content in the next one.